Alright, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is like the first time that why is she screaming like that? Why is she screaming like that? I have no idea. However, this is the first video like of us talking, chit-chatting of the year. Come on, say hi. Come on. Come on. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. Today, Kristen and I went and did some shopping, and we went to Hobby Lobby. I've been wanting to get this counter together. Can you guys see this counter? This is like the counter of the best. This is counter that we come in, we throw the groceries on here, we throw keys and our purses and everything on this counter when we come in the house. So I want to make this counter look a little bit better. I have things on top of the refrigerator that I want to come down, and I've been wanting to get like some storage containers. So today I went to Hobby Lobby and I found some things. So let's jump right into this Hobby Lobby haul. Alright guys, so right now Hobby Lobby have a great sale going on. Their store, like the entire store, is between 40 and 70% off. So I got a bunch of goodies. I got some decorations and some crafts for us to do for Easter. So let's see exactly what I got. So to start off, I got a shelf helper right here. I got this. It's to help save space, so I'll be able to utilize a little bit more of the space on here. So I got this cute bunny. We're going to paint it. I don't know exactly how we're going to paint it, but I got two of them for me and the girls to paint them. Okay, so this is one of the glass containers that I got. I'm going to store rice in here. So it has a black lid on it, and these were, I think these were 60% off. Or it was the other way around. This was 60 and this was 40. One of the two. So like I said, I got 3 all together. I want to do something like that. Can you guys see that? Alright, next I got a calendar. I always wanted one of these, and I never see them in like just plain black and white. Like I be seeing them in like wooden ones or holiday themed ones. This is just like a plain one. So I got that. I'm going to put this on this counter as well. Hobby Lobby told me that I needed this. So I got a cute hammer. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna go and put a project together. That is like so cute. It's so cute. And it comes with attachments. It's 1 hammer and 4 screwdrivers, so it's a 5-in-1, and this was $4.99, and it was 30% off. So that was like a good deal. And then it's like so freaking cute. I actually want to get like a hook or something to hang it on a wall and use it like as a decoration, as well as, you know, useful for when I want to do a craft or something, or have something to put together. So that was really cute. So I also got these little wooden, what are these things called? Laser cut shape mermaid. They're like wooden, cut out, fun little things to color. So I got these to paint. I got a mermaid. A fairy. She's so cute. A flamingo. And a unicorn. I also got 6 like acrylic paints, so I got those 3, and then these. So this pot is like so cute. My nephew got me this little plant a few weeks ago, and it's like dying, and I want to try to bring it back to life. I'll put some dirt in it. It's plastic, but it gives off like a glass look in a sense. So I'm gonna put some holes in it because the plant that I have, it needs to drain. So that is it for the haul for the Hobby Lobby. We're going to, oh wait, no it's not. I forgot about this. So I got Easter things for the window. This is the reason why I went to Hobby Lobby, to get Easter decorations. And I'm talking about, oh, yes, Kristen, yes. She don't even want nothing. And then I got these little things for the yard. So we had these little, we had some similar ones for Halloween, and they held up in the weather perfect. But that was in the fall. And I thought about it on my drive home. Like, these aren't going to be going in ground because the ground is frozen. Declutter this counter. Alright, so this is the space completely cleared out. It was a hot mess. These are the jars. I washed them out and I let them dry a little bit. I don't know if I want to put like sugar, flour, rice, or sugar, rice, flour. I think I use more rice and flour than sugar. So I think the sugar should be the smallest one. No. Y'all need to eat these cookies. They're some good still. Put those in the trash. Okay, so we are done organizing the counter. I'm going to try to find like a basket or something to put like the bread and the chips and stuff in. Sometimes I keep it on top of the refrigerator, but I don't have room for that. So I'm gonna find something for this because that's still making it. Go give it to Daddy. Making it a bit junky up here. I put the deep fryer here because on the other counter it just takes up space, but I use it on the other counter. I'm just gonna store it here. But yeah, this is the finish reorganizing, decluttering of our little counter. And I think it turned out good. You like how it look, Kayla?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so cute like this. I'm going to keep it like this way.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it clean, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I like this camera too.
All right, guys. So we are all done.
Guys, look at this cute hammer.
Oh yeah, they saw the hammer earlier. I was recording earlier.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoy our Hobby Lobby haul and our decluttering. So we're gonna see you guys later till the next video.
Yeah. 2